comment, and subscribe, you guys, okay? Do it. Hi you guys, welcome back to Brittany Olivia, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on Dare to Have Hair, you guys. I've been waiting all day, okay? The mailman, he finally pulled up and I was like, gone, like, give me my hair. I'm ready for it, okay? So when I went and got it, this is what it came in, you guys. This little cute pink little envelope looking thing. And this is what the hair came in. I already opened it. I was too excited, you guys, okay? I already opened it. So the bag says Dare Life, and on the bag it says daretohavehair.com at the bottom. So inside this bag, you guys, I had a closure. I still have a closure. I have a closure, and this hair is Indian Love Curl on Dare to Have Hair, you guys. Indian Love Curl. My closure is 20 inches, and of course that's when you stretch it out, you guys. And it's just a normal, what, 4x4 closure. The hair is very soft. You guys, it's very soft. And I only got 2 bundles. Only got 2 bundles. Hopefully I don't regret it. Hopefully I don't regret it, you guys. But I have been able to make wigs with only 2 bundles, but that was like kinky curly hair. But these are my 2 bundles. It's really soft, you guys. I might need a 3rd bundle. I really might need a 3rd bundle. So you guys, I'm gonna make the wig, and if I need a 3rd bundle, I'm gonna order it, and it's gonna be here, and you guys will know, because my next video is gonna be a review on the hair. My video after this video is gonna be a review on the hair, you guys. Okay. So the hair is so soft, and I'm like super excited, you guys. The hair is a light brown. I normally don't like dark colors on me. I don't think it looks right on me, but this is the lightest brown. This is like a number 4, which is perfect. It's a number 4. I got the lightest color that they have. They have where you can choose which color you want, like different shades of like black to brown, lightest brown, and I got the lightest one, you guys. On their website it said processing probably like 3 days, and delivery will be like 5 to 7 days, you guys. They shipped it off Thursday, and today is Saturday, so it's already here. That was under 5 days, you guys, and that was pretty fast. Also, when I bought the hair, I used Klarna. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. It's Klarna, Klarna. And I use that to make my payments, you guys. Basically it splits your total amount into 4 payments, and so once your first payment is made, they'll ship the hair out to you, you guys, and after that, during that time period, you'll have 3 more payments. So right now I still have 3 more payments to make, and they'll take it out of my account. So this is my first time doing this, so at first I was like a bit nervous. I had emailed them. I was like, I don't know if I should have I was like, I don't know if I should have used Klarna or not. This is my first time using it, because I normally just go ahead and pay for it, but I got a vacation coming up, so I'm trying to be, you know, I gotta have money to spend. But you know, it's my first time using it, and so far I actually like it. But I do have 3 more payments. But I might, if I get a 3rd bundle, I'm just gonna go ahead and pay for the whole thing if I get a 3rd bundle, you guys. But the hair is like super soft. But Klarna, they also send you an email, and the email, it'll basically send, it's like your notification type thing, and your confirmation. It'll tell you, you know, when your next installments are, so it won't be a surprise when you have money taken out your account. You be like, who is this? What is this? I did not do that. No, you won't have to worry about that. It'll tell you the date everything, and they'll also send you another email when your first or second, third, fourth payment has been made, you guys. And so when I went to check out on daretohavehair.com, the Klarna, it was an option for me to do. So you guys, I'm super excited. I just hope I have enough bundles. This is like two bundles. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna start making my wig like right now. And don't forget, I'll be back, you guys. I will be back. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I'm not gonna say it again. No, forget that. I am. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is posted up, you guys, okay? I'll say that nice for you guys, okay? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I might just say it one more time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be a part of my new growing YouTube family, you guys. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, you guys, and I am out.